So see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
Like, comment, subscribe, catch up and keep up. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night to all our wonderful fam bam. How are you guys doing? You guys, it's a beautiful day outside this morning. Let me show you guys a sneak peek of how beautiful it is looking outside. You guys hear my child screaming? He's happy right now. I'll tell you guys why. That's the beauty of outside right now. So pretty. It's a good day. Unlike yesterday, it was raining non-stop. Yes, baby? It was raining non-stop yesterday. Up and down. Come here. Say good morning, Faves. How are you? I'm watching The Wheels on the Bus.
I was in the video.
He insisted that he wanted to watch The Wheels on the Bus go round and round, so I just attached it to the laptop and have him watching it. Yes, baby. Move on. Okay, move on back. He's going to tell me the words of the song for the entire morning, okay? I told you. Yes, baby. Beep, beep, beep. Yes, honey. He's going to tell me the words of the song. Every little thing he's going to run, come and then he's gonna tell me. Anyway, you guys, I have been up and getting so much done around the house. I've been cleaning all morning, made breakfast, and I have work today, and I have to drop Tyler to the daycare in a bit, so I have to be well on with my day. So I'm gonna jump in the kitchen right now and make dinner before I head out, because I'll be back in time for dinner, but I rather to make it before I go than to make it when I come back home and tired. So make sure you guys having an amazing day. When you guys watching this, it would have been Monday, so happy Monday. Have an amazing new week, and yeah, baby's off to work. It's gonna be a busy day, so let's get going, you guys. Stay motivated, stay encouraged, get your workout in. It doesn't really matter what is it that you're doing, just do something. And on that note, let's jump right into the kitchen. So you guys, dinner, I've decided that's gonna be some brown rice, and who can guess what this is? Let's play the guess game. Liver, chicken liver, you guys. So liver and brown rice is gonna be. So you guys, while I was in here cutting up all the seasonings and stuff for the liver, I went and checked on Tyler, and I saw him laying down peacefully in the couch, and he said, "Mama, can I have the cover, please?" And I covered him, and he's under here just laying down peacefully. Look at him. You see his foot? Okay. That's how we sleep, you guys. Even when he's in his bed. Let mama cover you. Let mama cover you back. You hear him laughing? He's so funny. I can't take all this growing up, you guys. I can't take it. I honestly can't take it. He's just getting so good, and I hear him say, "Mama, can I have the cover please? The exact same thing. So I'm like, oh my god, my heart. This growing up, I can't take it. I need my baby back. What's that? Look how cute you are. Hey, Bella, look at mama. Hello, sweet boy. You're so cute. Ready for school? What's wrong? Gosh, you guys, I can't believe I'm home and the boys are not home as yet. They're running super late tonight. I just got back home from work. I'm tired, and babe and Tala, they're on their way. So yeah, I'm super tired. I already ate dinner because I took my dinner with me at work, so I don't have to, excuse me, I don't have to worry about eating junk or whatever the case may be, and they'll have dinner. I'm not sure if we're gonna go to the supermarket tonight or we're just gonna leave the supermarket until tomorrow, but I'll see. But the fact that they're coming home late, I think that's going to be a tomorrow thing. Anyway, I think I'm going to meet them and give them a surprise, or maybe not. I'm just sitting out here on the street. You guys see the bus passing down there? I'm just sitting out here on the street waiting on the boys. I don't know about you guys, but I love when I get home in the afternoon and I see Thailand, the big hugs and how he ran to me just super warm my heart. So I'm on the side of the street, just sitting down waiting to see him come because they're supposed to get off the bus soon. Not the bus that just passed, but a different bus. So I'm waiting on them to get home so I can surprise Tyler and see him. He's gonna be so excited to see me. I love to surprise them when they don't expect me to meet them. And today is no different. I can't wait to see him coming down the street. You guys, you see them walking, coming? They're all the way down there coming. Tyler! Mama catch you? You want to see?
Mama?
There? Yes.
Where's the for Tyler?
The fifth is for Tyler.
Let's go.
Let's go. You guys, I surprised the boys. You're expecting me?
Oh, no, I was expecting you at the bus stop.
I know you were expecting me at the bus stop. That's why I stopped here.
If I was expecting you, it was at the bus stop. The only thing I could have gone at the stairs.
I was hoping, I was watching you. If I saw that you were gonna go to the stairs,
Yeah,
I would have called. No, I would have tell you to come. This is always the best moment of the day. Seeing them.
Tyler walking, running. With his foot.
You know, being in the house just now, just in there without you and Tyler, it feels lonely and different. I said no, I'm going to meet them. I couldn't stay in. The best moment. As my nugget got home, he said, "Mama, fries please, fries please." So be the mama I am. Since he don't have fries every day of the week, I'm granting him his wish. My baby asking for fries. He look in his plate and say, Mama, fries, please. So I'm making him some fries and nuggets. Wish granted, baby boy. But I made sure I just fry enough for him so that baby and I don't get any. He's in there watching TV as quiet as possible. Let's go see him. No. Hello. There you go. You want to put it here? There you go. Gonna eat? You want your chair? Yeah, Mama, go for your chair, okay? C'est bon. So thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. You guys, Tyler reacting to his baby pictures is the funniest thing ever. Who is that? Ah! Tyler, who is that? Who is that? Who is that, Ty? Who is that? Who is that? Yeah. Who is that? Yeah. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Yeah. Oh, who is that? Yes. Who is that? Yes. Who is that? Yeah. Ah! Yes. Oh, who is that? Yes. Wow. His hair had no control. Who is that? Yes. Who is that, Ty? Oh my gosh, so cute. Say night night, faves. Look, look, look in the camera. Say I love you.
I'm watching a gilly.
You're doing gilly gilly. So see you guys tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe, catch up and keep up. Subscribe. Night night. Hey guys, just the smell of this Baileys made me want to drink it. You guys, we're drinking, we're celebrating.
Celebrating the weekend.
We're celebrating the weekend and so much success that we have coming our way. We're keeping a lot of secrets from you guys, but you guys will know all the little secrets that we've been keeping in due time. We're keeping secrets, right, babe?
A lot of secrets.
A lot of secrets. Well, we can't wait to share them with you guys. But for now, just know that we're keeping secrets. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna drink this Baileys and celebrate. Tyler is off to bed.
I mean, you're not pregnant if you're drinking alcohol.
Right.
So that's not this.
So that's not that. If that's what you guys thinking. Anyway, you guys.
What is it?
You want me to tell them? I can't tell them yet. They have to think what it is. You get it? Make sure you get it. Anyway, you guys, the Jamaican expression for today, I'm giving it because Tyler was looking on some pictures on the TV just now and he was super happy. So I'm giving you the Jamaican way of how we would say picture. In Jamaica, we don't say picture, we say picture, picture or picture. Picture or picture. That's what we say for pictures. You get it? Say picture.
Picture.
Or picture.
Picture.
Yes. That's how we say picture.
Okay.
What
But to say it in French?
Yes.
Photo.
Just photo?
Yeah, photo is pictures.
Okay.
What do you think it was?
I don't remember what it was.
Photo. Pictures in French is photo.
Okay.
So it's like it's made. The camera is appareil photo, like appareil some things to do photo.
Okay.
And pictures is photo.
Okay, cool. Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican expression and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. And I'm going to sip on this Baileys and enjoy the rest of the night. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. You wanted to say something?
Yeah, I wanted to say catch up and keep up.
Catch up and keep up. There we go. And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye, guys.